Have you ever thought about documenting your gardening journey? Welcome to the world of garden journaling, a rewarding practice that lets you chronicle your garden's growth, successes, and areas for improvement. Just imagine having a personalized guide tailored to your garden's specific needs. Intriguing, isn't it? Getting started is easier than you might think. Your first step? Choosing a journal. It could be a traditional notebook filled with blank pages, or a nifty digital app. It's all about what makes you comfortable. Once you've chosen your journal, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now, it's time to start documenting. It's crucial to note down plant specifics like species, when they were planted, and their growth journey. This isn't just data, it's the unfolding story of your garden. This information will serve as your garden's biography. In addition to basic plant information, your garden journal is a great place for brainstorming. It's where you can jot down observations about plant growth, sketch out designs for new garden beds, or even capture inspiration for future projects. Your garden journal will become your garden's best friend. So, you see, garden journaling is a simple yet effective way to enhance your gardening experience. Just choose your journal, document your plants, and record your observations. Now it's your turn to start journaling your gardening journey. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more garden-related content. Happy gardening!